Hey guys, how's it going? How to download and install iOS 18 public beta. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to your settings, and for some regions, Apple did not announce when they're gonna upload or add the iOS 18 update to your iPhone. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and check it out on your general, and then basically what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead to the VPN and device management and make sure that you shut down any VPN that's running, and then basically go ahead to the software update and make sure that you updated the app, updated your iOS to the latest version. As you can see right here, the iOS 18 came up to me just recently. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just go back to my screen, and then I'm gonna go ahead to my browser and then basically search for Apple Beta. All right, Apple Beta, and then you're gonna see the official website. What you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead, and see the newest updates, and then sign up or sign in with your account, right? And then basically after you sign up and sign in with your account, you're gonna be able to, see the newest updates, right? I'm gonna sign in right here with my account, right? And then I'm gonna be able to confirm via facial recognition that this is my account, right? And basically after you connect with your Apple ID, you're gonna be able right here to see the agreement right here, agree, right? And then basically you're gonna be able to see your update, right? So you're gonna see right here the Apple Beta software program is now available for iOS 18. If you're a new member, please enroll your iOS device, and then you're gonna be able to actually enroll your iOS device, right? And then scroll a little bit down, and then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click on open beta, right? And then basically here beta option is available, right? And make sure that you allow it. All right, so if public beta option is not available, then restart your device. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.